Hello, dear student. Welcome to all of you online maths video class. In my last video, I explained about the first was banking and the second was share and dividend. Now we will discuss about the chapter 4, which is linear inequation. Linear inequation is very important according to examination point of view. Here there are two sections in math question table, that is section A and section B. Linear inequation will be asked in section A and it may be 3 marks or 4 marks. So there is no any option for section A. Therefore, the importance of this linear inequation is something more than the other topic. Here, first of all, we will discuss about the introduction of the linear inequation. After that, what is the equations? We will give the answer of this. Then we will discuss about the linear inequations and linear inequation in one variable. We will also discuss about some examples of linear inequation, then replacement set, solution set, and about the interval also. So before going to the detail of the linear inequation, let us discuss about the introduction of linear inequation. Dear student, if we take any two digit just like A and B, then the relation between A and B will be like this way. Maybe A is equal to B and maybe A is not equal to B. Okay, now if A is not equal to B, then maybe the value of A is greater than B, or maybe the value of A is less than B. Now if we take together this both symbol, so we can write A is greater than equal to B, and if we take these two symbols, then we can write A is less than equal to B. Okay, it means if A is not equal to B, if A is equal to B, then there will be no problem. But if A is not equal to B, then in this situation we have four cases. Maybe A is greater than B, A is less than B, A is greater than equal to B, and A is less than equal to B. In this way we have four symbols. The first symbol is greater than, the second symbol is less than, the third symbol is greater than equal to, and the fourth symbol is less than equal to. In this way, we have these four type of inequations. This is the symbol of inequation. The symbol of equation is this, and this is the symbol of inequation. Okay. Now let us discuss about the equation. What is equation? Equation you must have. In equation you must have the symbol of equality. In equation we must have the symbol of equality. Just like if we write x plus 4 is equal to 5, so here we have the equal to condition, and the left part, this is called the left hand side and this is called the right hand side. It means left hand side and right hand side are connected by this symbol which is called equal to. It means in equation we have the equal to condition. Example of this is x plus 4 is equal to 5. But the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus b is equal to c. Ax plus b is equal to c. Or sometimes we write ax plus b is equal to 0. This is also the standard form of the linear inequation. Then the standard form of the, this is the standard form of the linear equation. What is this? Standard form of the linear equation where a and b belongs to integer, but value of a is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form of the linear equation, which is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b belongs to integer, but a is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form of the linear equation. This is the standard form of the linear equation. Then the question is, what is linear inequation? I just tell here what is the equation. Introduction over equation. Now let us discuss about the linear inequation. The standard form of the linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. But in the case of, at the place of this equal to, if we write this value just like ax plus b greater than equal to 0, the first case. Second case, ax plus b less than equal to 0. The third case, ax plus b greater than equal to 0. And the fourth case, ax plus b less than equal to 0. Then all these situations belongs to the linear inequations. Okay, all this type of situation is the linear inequation. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you. What is the difference between equation and inequation? Difference between equation and inequations. So here in equation we have only one solution, but in equation we have many solutions. Okay, here in equation we have the equal to condition, means left hand side is equal to the right hand side. In other words, we can say the left hand side and right hand side are connected by this symbol which is called equal to. But here in equation we have four symbols: greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. Okay, it means these are the solution. Again, just like if we take one example as equation and as inequation, then what happens? Just like here we write 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Then here we can write 2x is equal to 7 minus 3. Then 2x is equal to 4, and this implies that x is equal to 2. Okay, it means the linear equation have only one solution. Okay, it has only one solution, that is x is equal to 2. It means if we put the value of x is equal to 2, in that case left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Okay, it means x is equal to 2 satisfy this equation. Just like if we put x is equal to 2, then 2 to the 4 and 3 will be 7, means 7 is equal to 7. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. But what happens if we put any symbol other than the equation? Just like if we put this symbol 2x plus 3 greater than 7. Okay, in this case what we do? Here 2x greater than 7 minus 3, just subtract 3 from both sides, then 3 and 3 will be cancelled, it will be 7 minus 3. Here 2x greater than 7 minus 3 will be 4, and here x greater than 4 by 2, it means x greater than 2. Now here x greater than 2, but in the condition of equation we have the value of x is equal to 2. Now we have the difference between this and this. It means if if x belongs to natural number, then value of x what may be? It may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, like that. In this way we can show that there are only one solution in a linear equation, but several solutions, infinitely many solutions in a linear inequation. Again, the question is why it is linear. In a linear inequation, we just one example, just like linear inequation, we have ax plus b greater than 0. Ax plus b greater than 0, where a, b belongs to real number, and a is not equal to 0. Here it should be real number. Okay, it should be real number. A, b belongs to real number and a is not equal to 0. Okay, now why it is linear? It is linear because the maximum power of the variable, that is x, is 1. Therefore it is linear. Okay, if we write like this way, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, then it will be quadratic. Why it is quadratic? Because here the power is 2. Similarly, if the power is 3, then that will be cubic. So here in our syllabus we have only linear inequation. Okay. Now if we give the linear inequations in one variable, example of linear inequation, if we write here 2x plus 3 greater than 5, maybe, okay, 2x plus 3 greater than 5. If we write here 2x plus 3 less than 5, or 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 5, 2x plus 3 less than equal to 5. So all this type of condition are the inequation. All these are the example of linear inequation. Okay. So in this way we just find the difference between equation and inequation. Linear inequation in one variable. In our syllabus we will discuss only about the linear inequation in one variable. I also give here some example of linear inequation, but here remember, if you write the standard form of the linear equation, that is ax plus b greater than 0, or ax plus b less than 0, or ax plus b greater than equal to 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0, where a, b belongs to a real number and a is not equal to 0. Remember this. Okay. Now the next introduction, very important. What is the replacement set? What is the replacement set? Okay. So here we will discuss now a replacement set with example. Here we will discuss about the replacement set about the example. With the help of example. Replacement set is that set from where we find solution. Means from where we get our solution. Just like with the help of example, again we try to understand what is the replacement set. Let here x plus 3 greater than 5, okay, and x belongs to just like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. It means here x belongs to natural number. Okay, x belongs to natural number, or at the place of this we can write here x belongs to natural number. In that case, here x is belongs to this, here x belongs to natural number. In this case, here the n, that is natural number, this is working as a replacement set. How it works? Just like here, if we want to solve it, here x plus 3 minus 3, and here 5 minus 3 cancel, and x will be greater than 2. It means here x is equal to, we will take the solution of this condition from here. So we will take only that value which is greater than 2. Just like it will be 3, 4, 5, like that. It means if we put any value of x from this, in that case it will satisfy this condition. Just like if we take x is equal to 3, then it will be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, which is already greater than 5. Similarly, if we take x is equal to 4, then it will be 4 plus 3, which is greater than 5, means 7 will be greater than 5. It means the replacement set is that set from where we get the solution set. Now, what is the solution set? I think I explained both here together. What is the difference between replacement set and solution set? It means replacement set is that set from where we are getting the solution set. In other words, we can say that solution set is the subset of replacement set. Simply we can say solution set is a subset of replacement set. Solution set, the element of solution set will be taken from the element of the replacement set. In this way, we can find the difference between solution set and replacement set. I think now I just explained all the things from where the concept of inequation come, and after that, what is the definition of equation, what is the linear inequation in one variable, ax plus b is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 0, greater than 0 or less than 0, are that four conditions are linear equation in one variable, where variable is only x. Okay. Now example of linear inequations I also given. What is the replacement term? What is the solution side? And now the last one, that is interval. We will just discuss about the interval. Here, interval, there are four type of interval. The first one is closed interval. The first one is closed interval. We just assume one condition. If the value of x is just a and here b, like this, means the value of x after solving the given question, if the value of x vary from a to b, so here it means we can take the value of x a also and b also. Okay, and all the real numbers according to the situation of the question, all the value from a to b. Okay, now how we represent this on the number line? Here like this way. If here a, that this is a and this is b, since this is closed interval, here less than also and equal to, therefore we make here one black dot, or we can say closed circle, like this way, closed circle, circle with black, a circle like this way, and here now we make a dark line. Okay, this represent this condition, closed interval. Okay, now the second one is open interval. Okay, open interval. In open interval, how it is? Its condition will be like this way. This x and here it means the value of x is not a. We cannot take the value of x as b, but all the value in between a and b we can take as the solution of x. We cannot take a, we cannot take b, but all the value which is in between a and b, that will be the solution of x. Symbolically, how we represent this? Look here. So here, just if we take it a and here add b, since the value of x is not a, so here we just make a open circle, not a closed, open circle, and here at the place of b also we make a open circle. Okay, and here just make a dark line with the help of pencil. Okay, this is the closed interval and open. Getting? Now the next interval is closed open interval. Closed here, closed open interval. The third type of interval is closed open interval. Consider a condition in which after solving the inequation we get like this way, here closed and here open. Closed open interval. This is called the closed open interval. Here a less than equal to means where less than and equal to both conditions are given, that is the close. Okay, that is the closed interval. How we represent this? Here, if this is a and this is b. Okay, here a we represent always is right, always be right, the smaller in the left side and the greater value in the right side. You know, in number system also, if we move from left to right, the number will be increases. Similarly here also, here a and b means value of a is smaller, we take it at the left side, and the value of b is greater than a, therefore we take it at the right side. Here a less than equal to b means equal to condition is also given, greater than condition is also given. It means the value of x is a and more than a also. Means value of x we can take a also. So here we just make a open, not open, closed circle like this way. Okay, but we cannot take value of x as b, so therefore we take here open, and just we just join it dark line, make it dark line. It represent a closed open interval. Now the fourth one is open closed interval. Open closed interval. Symbolically, just like here, A open, first open, then this, and then close like this. D. How we represent like this? Like this. Just like here A and here B. Here, what is open? Then open means open circle, and here close means a circle, and that just make it dark and all the lines. Okay, this is only for the real number. This condition is only for, this is only for all the condition whatever we discuss. We just discuss for interval here, second also, third also, and fourth also. The first one is closed interval here, closed interval, and here open interval, open, here closed open, closed open, and here open closed. Okay, and this is only possible for real. Okay, this is only possible for real. According to replacement set, the solution set will be also changed. According to replacement set, the solution set will also be changed, and with the help of example, we can make a difference. We can just try to understand why according to replacement set the solution set will be different and how to represent it on the number. Just like if we have this solution 3x plus 5 is less than equal to 3x plus y less than equal to 9. It is 9, just like 9, or you can take here 12. Then this implies that 3x less than equal to 12 minus 5. This implies that 3x less than equal to 7. Okay, less than equal to 7. This implies that x less than equal to 7 by 3. Okay, this is the condition. This is the question, and after solving we find this. Now I just tell you, according to replacement set, the solution set will be changed. How? First condition, if here replacement set means x belongs to natural number, then what happened? The second case, if x belongs to whole number, then what happened? Okay. The third case, when if x belongs to integer like this, then what happened? And the fourth one is if x belongs to a real number, then what happens? Okay. So here one by one we just first of all, what was the solution set? Value of x less than equal to 7 by what was that? 7 by 2. Let us 7 by 2. If x belongs to natural number, in that case the solution set is what? The solution set will be here means x less than equal to 2 3 are 6 1 by 2 means the value which is less than this. All the natural number which is less than 3 integer 1 by 2. Okay, if this is 7 by 2 then okay. Now we will take here 1, we will take 2, we can take 3. This is the solution. Okay, and how we should represent it? Here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. So in our solution set, we take 1, 2, and 3. So here just we write 1, here 2, and here 3. This is the first condition. Okay. Now if x belongs to whole number, then what happens? In that case, solution set is what? We also include 0 because here 0 will be included. 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. And in this case, the solution set will be here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, here minus 1. So in our solution set, we will take 0, 1, 2, 3 here 0, just make a dark circle here, a dot here 3 like this. Okay, according to situation when x belongs to natural number and when x belongs to whole number, our solution set in both condition and representation of the solution set on number line both are changed. Similarly, if we take two more condition, that is if x belongs to integer, if here x belongs to integer, in that case the solution set is equal to what? In that case the solution set is all the value of x which is less than 3 integer 1 by 2. It means all the negative value we get here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, because all are integer. Okay, and how to represent it on the number line? We just take here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3 and here 4, but 4 is not in our solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, here this dot, -1, -2, -3, like this way, make a dot here, and all the number which is less than -3, to make a 3 dot, 1, 2, 3. It means all the value which is less than -3. Okay, so in this way, if the x belongs to integer, then according to question, means according to replacement set, the solution set is also changed here, and how to represent on the number line is also changed here. Okay, now the last condition, when the value of x belongs to r, when the value of x belongs to r means real number. When the value of x belongs to r, in that case the solution set is not possible to write in roster form. We will always write in rule method like this way, x such that x belongs to r and value of x is less than or equal to 3 integer 1 by 2, like this. You know why like this? Because there are infinite real number less than this. Therefore, we cannot write just that point to point here in the set. Therefore, we make it with the help of rule method. And how we should represent it on the solution set? Like this. Here just 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, 5, here -2, -3. Okay. And 3 is to 1 by 2 means it is more than 3 but less than 4. Here its situation will be here like that. And here what? Less than also, equal to also. It means the value of x is 3 integer 1 by 2 also. Means 3 integer 1 by 2 is also the solution of x. So here this thing, and it is 3 integer 1 by 2 and all the value which is greater than 3 integer r by 2. Don't make a dot here. Okay, like this, make a dark line, and here this also. Okay, in this way this represent the solution set where it belongs to R. In this way we just see when the replacement set is changed, then according to that our solution set is also changed, and how to represent on the number line is also set. Now in the next video we will try to explain about some question, okay, about some question of the exercise 4, and if you have any doubt related to this or maybe anything left, then you can just write in comment section so that I can explain that thing properly, and otherwise you can give your that means if you have any doubt you can give in through campus care also, so that we can make a we can explain that things wherever you have the doubt. My next video class will be related to the exercise 4. Will be related to exercise 4. Whatever topic I just discussed, you go through that properly with the help of book and try to understand what is the linear inequation, how many types of linear inequations, and what is the replacement set, what is the solution set, okay, and in general also, okay. Some more example questions are given in your book. You can solve two or more example question also, so that you can make a good concept about the topic. Till that, from next video we will discuss about exercise question. Okay.